objective of the transportation model is that minimize the what? Transportation cost. So minimize the transportation cost means don't supply the material, then there will be no transportation cost. It is not like that. So satisfying the destination requirements, also minimizing the cost. I will give you one of the best examples of transportation problem which has been implemented here only in Karnataka, not that too in Dharwad, that is in Akshay Patre. I think I have seen it in Discovery Channel, how they manage the food which has been cooked and deliver it to the schools. So how they do it? So how they do minimize the cost? So it has been shown in Discovery Channel where the food is cooked and it will be delivered at the right time in the government schools at the lunch hours. Fine. So one estimation which has been done there, the total vehicles which they roam to deliver the food in one day, the total kilometers traveled by the vehicle is equal to the distance from Dharwad to Delhi. So that much traveling is done by the vehicles. There are so many vehicles. I don't know the exact number of the vehicles which are there to deliver the food, but the total kilometers run by the vehicle is directly equal to, and it is equal to the distance between Dharwad and Delhi. So that much traveling is done there. So definitely they want to minimize the traveling cost. So to minimize the traveling cost, they are supposed to use the transportation problem. So what they have done, they have set up with a GPS system in their vehicle, and they want to cover the nearby places. So if a place is just 5 to 10 kilometers from that village where the food has to be delivered, so instead of getting a new vehicle to deliver the food, so this vehicle can go there and deliver the food. So what happens here? The transportation cost of having a new vehicle, driver, everything I'm telling you. It may be a diesel, or it may be a driver, or it may be taking new vehicle, everything. So that cost totally reduced. And the vehicle which is nearby 10 kilometers, I'm just giving an example, nearby 10 kilometers, delivering food to the school there, can also reach the school which is nearby 10 to 15 kilometers. So what they have done, they have started leaving the outlet, that is the factory, food making factory which is there in Rayapur. So they leave 1 hour prior, so that they can cover the nearby schools also. So these are the different situations where the transportation problem is used. So I have given only just one example. So what happens? A company has 4 warehouses or stock houses in the city. So what is the use of that 4 stock houses if the city is only 5 kilometers in the circumference? So no need. So instead of using 4, use 1 which is at the center of the city, so that the products are distributed evenly. Like that, different situations, the variety of situations, I mean to say in different variety of situations, this transportation model is used. And the objective is that the transportation model to minimize the transportation cost, still meeting the requirements of the destination. So transportation problems may also involve movement of the product from plants to warehouses, warehouse to sellers. So transportation involves movement of products. Movement of products from where to where? The movement of products from plants to warehouses, to wholesalers to retailers to customers. So when a product is manufactured in a company, so you start to follow this path, travel this path. So from plants to it comes to warehouse, from warehouse to it comes to wholesalers, from wholesalers to retailers, from retailer to customer. Let us take an example of a product, that is wheel soap. So the wheel soap is manufactured in company, I think in Dharwad company is there. So from there plant production is done, then it has to come to the warehouse. From warehouse to it comes to wholesalers, I meant to say dealers. From wholesalers or dealers to retailers, from retailer to customer. This is one example. So one more example, that is Mahindra Bolero. What happens? It is manufactured in the plant. From plant to it comes to warehouse, local warehouse. So regarding Dharwad district, the plant is there in Belur, where the Boleros are stored there. You know, there's a big area where all the Bolero vehicles will come there. From here it will be distributed to the all over Karnataka. Fine. So from plants to it comes to the warehouse, from warehouse to the dealers. For example, for Dharwad district, Sutaria, even for Haveri, even for Uttar Kannada. So these all vehicles should be given to the local showrooms. From the local showrooms, they reach to the customers. Fine. So to manage all these things, to reduce the transportation cost, the transportation model is used. The transportation model is to minimize the what? Transportation cost. Still what? Meeting the requirements of the destination. For example, a Karwar showroom, Bolero, Mahindra Bolero showroom wants 2 vehicles, Bolero vehicles. So they have requested, but the Hubli people are not showing any interest to give them the Bolero vehicles because the Bolero vehicle is there in Hubli. The customer has to come and take the vehicle. In that case, the customer thinks that this is not suitable for me to come to the Hubli. So you do one thing, you send the vehicle. So what they do? They think what's the transportation cost, what is the profit available. So one driver has been employed. So one or two drivers have been employed, and they will take the vehicle to the local showroom there in Karwar. Then it has been delivered to the what? Customer. The customer will get happy. Yes, I am getting delivery at my location only. And even company will also happy, stating that yes, we have reached the customer at their end with the minimum transportation cost. Fine. So these type of problems are solved or dealt. So why we need to go for the transportation problem when there are more number of constraints and constants, where the computational cost by solving it by simplex method is huge. So in that case, we want to simplify the problem, and that simplified problem will be solved by transportation model. Fine. I think by the introduction of this transportation model, you will come to know that what we are doing here. So what is the destination and what is the origin? So this is the origin and this is the destination. I have to reach from origin to destination to give the products with minimum transportation cost. Fine.